Welcome aboard this Southeastern service to
Bromley South, calling at Wandsworth Road, Clapham High Street, Denmark Hill, Peckham Rye,
and
Bromley South.
the next station is
Wandsworth Road.
we will shortly be arriving at
Wandsworth Road.
the next station is
Clapham High Street.
we will shortly be arriving at
Clapham High Street.
the next station is
Denmark Hill.
we will shortly be arriving at
Denmark Hill.
the next station is
Peckham Rye.
we will shortly be arriving at
Peckham Rye.
the next station is
Bromley South.
we will shortly be arriving at
Bromley South.
this is
Bromley South.
this train terminates here. All change please.